Yo, what's good, man? So as you can see on the phone right now, I am actually in a trade. Now I got in this trade right here because of my TDI scanner. All right. It gave me this signal right here. Let me find it. Boom. So it gave me this one right here. USD JPY valid sale. And so I hopped in. The reason why it gave me that signal is because the TDI, which is this right here, these lines right here, that green is outside the blue. And so whenever that happens, it lets me know the market is overbought, ready to sell off. And so it gives me the sell signal. All right. So that's why I got in that trade. Now I'm already up. The reason why, my balance up here is at, 40, and then this one's at 60 is because of the commission. So, the broker takes the commission of the trade or whatever, which is fine, you know what I'm saying? But I'm still getting my bag at the end of the day. So we getting a pretty decent drop. As you can see, the scanner is very accurate. Again, this happens all the time over in the market all the time. So the reason why I would be comfortable in holding this trade a lot longer is because of this right here. So if you see right here, this line right here, this whole thing is a 200 moving average. Anytime the candles are below that, we know it's a downtrend, right? Now, I would be more comfortable holding this, but I do see one thing that could potentially happen because it already broke structure. So this is what let me show you this. So the market usually goes up, down, does a pullback, comes down, right? This time, let me erase these. This time we went up, we haven't pulled back yet. So what could potentially happen is the market could pull down maybe a candle or two, then come back up. If it does and it passes this 200, then we're gonna move to potentially an uptrend. But for right now, everything's looking good on the sale. We're already up 91 bucks. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I do. Also, I need to check my trend finder as well. Let me go to USD JPY, giving me the sell. So overall, the trend on the M15 is down, which that's what it shows based off the 200. And the other ones are up. So this could be a short-term sell based on the higher time frames. So, it's a decent hold. Now, if you want to know how long you can hold a trade, y'all, like I said, I always tell y'all, you want to hold to the next zone. So I do see a zone right here because the market touched here, dropped. So it touched here, turned around. So that's one zone. If it passes that, then, we probably going to head somewhere down into this level here. So just to make that to where y'all can see it, boom. You know what I'm saying? This is another line, another level as well. So we could potentially pull back to here, bounce, and go back up. But again, this is a trade that I'm willing to hold for a little bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be back, all right? And I'm going to show y'all the profits as we continue to do this, all right? So let's get it. Yo, so if you're looking at the screen right now, you can see that we're up by $252. Now, right now, the market is bouncing off that zone that I was telling you about. That's where it's at currently. So it could go up from here, or if it continues to push down, it's going to continue to push down to about this level here, somewhere in there. All right. And if that's the case, then we'll make a little more money. If not, then cool. But as you can see, well, we just made another jump. Now we're up 300 bucks. All right. But like, what could this kind of money do for your family? You know what I'm saying? Like, we got to get out of the whole get rich quick mindset, y'all, and just be able to make the money and take the money. So right now, I'm just going to take this easy money. Boom. That's easy money for today. All right. So that's kind of what I'm looking, to talk to you guys about today, man, is just learning how to take the money while you got it. A lot of the times we miss out on the opportunity because we're trying to get the bigger bag. And it's like, yo, take the money. You know what I'm saying? Like, you'll make way more money in these markets if you just stop trying to get rich off of it. Like, the market is giving you all the money you need. You up $20, you up $150, you up $200, but it's not enough because so-and-so, this trader, they doing 10K days or 50K days or 70K days, and you like, man, I gotta get there. Nah, bro. Nah, sis. Take the bread. You know what I'm saying? Yo, most people don't even make, you know, $500-$600 a day at a job. Like most people don't even make that. So the fact that you're able to make $200-$300, you know, a day, you know, with little effort and little time out your day, you winning. You know what I'm saying? You winning. So I'm always telling people, look, treat this as if this was your last resort. Like if everything like disappeared and this is all you had left to make money off of, treat it like that. Like you wouldn't be as crazy with your trades. You'll be, you know, you'll be pulling money out all the time. Like let the money compound in your bank account. It ain't got to compound on a computer screen. You know what I'm saying? Let it compound in the bank account to where it makes sense. You know what I'm saying? Make the money, move that to the wallet. You know what I'm saying? Like I told y'all before, if you make money every day, make the money, move that money to your wallet, let it sit there. And the only time you might tap into it is if you need a little bit, like if you know a trade, if you just real confident in the trade and you know a trade is gonna go, but like the drawdown is kind of crazy, but you know it and you need to enter at least one more position, then you can move some of that money that you had in the wallet, just a little bit of it, because you don't want to risk all your profit. You move a little bit just to cover enough for a little more drawdown to get, you know, to get there. You know what I'm saying? And so I use these different tools, y'all. I use them because, you know, I know they work. And it's been a blessing to me. And I don't even have to spend time on a computer like that. Like I said, I literally walk up to the screen, may see a setup based off the scanner or have the alert sent to my phone. I'll check the alert. Okay, boom, I'm going to get in. I hop in and I go about my day. Let it sit. If it's not, like I said, if the trade doesn't go immediately and I'm in drawdown, then as the position continues to increase, I just increase my lot size. I increase my lot size or my position size at the top, and then I hold it. And if the trend finder is saying all down arrows or most down arrows on the position that I'm in, then I'm a hold. You know what I'm saying? If it's a downtrend. And if it's an uptrend, I'm a hold on the uptrend if it's giving me buys. So it's just really, you know, taking everything into consideration. Take the money watch there, you know what I'm saying? And be a blessing, you know what I'm saying? Start giving to people with the money you making, you know what I'm saying? Let them know it's real, you know what I'm saying? People need to know that trading is real, you know what I mean? They don't believe it. They think you got to be in IM Academy and all that. Like, I don't care if it's $50, you know what I'm saying? Take it out and bless somebody with it and say, hey man, I made this trading. I just wanted to be a blessing to you, you know what I'm saying? And the more you do stuff like that, the more you're able to use your profits to be a blessing, to help others, it's going to make you feel good and you're going to manage and store the money better because you know it can be used to help somebody else. You know what I'm saying? So that's just a little bit of wisdom. Hopefully this video inspires you. Again, if you want the scanner, it is in the description below. Let me know the kind of videos y'all want to see. I will be making a lot more videos because I'll be reading y'all comments. So make sure y'all comment. I've seen the other ones on the other videos, so I'm in the process of making some of those videos. But like I said, while I'm in it, I wanted to show y'all this. But Lord willing, man, I will see y'all in another video. Let's go.